This quick guide will teach you how to add vendors in Wave accounting. Whether you're new to Wave or just need a refresher, this tutorial will provide you with the steps you need to efficiently manage your vendor list. Adding vendors in Wave accounting is a straightforward process that ensures you maintain accurate records and streamline your financial management. Let's get started by navigating the Wave accounting dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the left side navigation menu. You're looking for the section labeled Purchases. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Vendors. This section is where you can view and manage all your current vendors, keeping your financial interactions well organized. Next, you'll want to locate the blue Add a Vendor button. It's positioned conveniently in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will bring up a new form. This is where you'll input all the necessary details for your vendor. This form is designed to capture essential information about your vendors, so take a moment to gather any details you might need before proceeding. Now, let's dive into filling out the layout form fields. These fields are set up to ensure you have all the relevant information at your fingertips. While filling in the form, make sure to include the vendor's name, contact information, and any other relevant details that will help you in future transactions. It's important to be as thorough as possible here, as this will help you maintain a comprehensive and useful vendor list. Once you've completed filling out the form, review the information to ensure accuracy. Double-check the details you've entered, as any inaccuracies could lead to future complications in your accounting processes. When you're satisfied that everything is correct, it's time to save your work. To save the new vendor details, simply click the Save button. This action will add the vendor to your list in Wave accounting, allowing you to access and manage these details whenever necessary. With your vendor now added, you can easily track transactions, manage payments, and maintain a clear financial overview. Adding vendors is an essential part of using Wave accounting effectively, and following these simple steps will help you keep your business records accurate and up to date. Remember that staying organized with your vendors not only improves your financial management, but also enhances your relationships with your suppliers. And there you have it. You've successfully added a vendor in Wave accounting. By following these steps, you ensure that your accounting processes remain efficient and well organized. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your finances with ease.